Hello everyone, I am Larissa Jane V. Lamson from Bisedsai 1-GA, and today I am going to guide the mission, vision, and philosophy of Central Luzon State University. The mission: CLSU shall develop globally competitive, work-ready, socially responsible, and empowered human resources who valued lifelong learning, and to generate, disseminate, and apply knowledge and technologies for poverty alleviation, environmental protection, and sustainable development. The vision: CLSU as a world-class national research university for science and technology in agriculture and allied fields. And the philosophy: the ultimate measure of the effectiveness of Central Luzon State University as an institution of higher learning is its contribution to and impact on the educational, economic, social, cultural, political, and moral well-being and environmental consciousness of the people it serves. Thank you.